Hello guys, today we are going to solve a LeetCode problem of the day 13 June, and the problem stated we have given an array of string words where each string represents a word containing lowercase English letter, and we have given an integer array weight of length 26 where weight of I represents the weight of ith lowercase English letter, and we need to find the weight of each word, and the weight of each word represent the summation of the weight of each characters. Okay, for each word we will find its weight modulo 26 and map the result to a lowercase English letter using reverse alphabetical order, and at the last we need to return a string followed by doing such operation. Okay, so let's understand by example. We have given an array of string and we have given an array of weight. Here each weight represents the weight of characters of English lowercase alphabet. Okay, the weight of A is 5, the weight of B is 3, the weight of C is 12, and similarly for so on. Okay, it will be the last one is mapped to Z. So what we need to do? We need to traverse each word and we need to find the weight of each word. Then what we need to do? We need to map these weight into the English lowercase alphabet but in the reverse order. Let's say the weight becomes 8, so we need to find the last 8 characters from the English alphabet, that is some around R. Okay, let's say, yeah, which map to R. And so let's do how we can do it. Okay, so let's take a word ABCD and we need to find the weight of this one. So how we can find it? Weight of this one, A, the weight of character A 5 plus the weight of character B, that is 3, the weight of character C, that is 12, uh, and the weight of character D, that is 14. The total summation becomes 5, 3, 8, 12, 20, 30, 34, 34. It becomes 34, and we need to do modulo of 26. So it becomes 8, and then we need to find the 8 characters of English alphabet from the last one, that becomes R, and we add it into the our answer string, and for this same one we will do for this word, then also we will do for this word, and what we get for these word result we will map it, we will add it into our result, and at the last we will return our answer string. Okay, so let's go into the code panel. Here I am creating a string, answer string, and I am traversing to the loop of the, I am traversing the whole array words, and what here I taken a variable int w is equal to 0 which represents the weight of the current word, and here I am moving to each character of the word and I am taking the weight of each character. After taking the weight of each character, and also I am doing here modulo 26. So at the last what we got the weight of the word. According to that weight, we are assigning the last English alphabet. Okay, according to weight. You can check it here. Yes, here at the last I am to find the last English alphabet character according to weight. I am doing here Z minus W. Okay, the W represents the weight and Z represents the character. So it will give the last character alphabet. So let's run, and at the last I am returning the answer string. So let's run. Let's submit it. Okay, it is working fine. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe the video. I have provided this code here. You just need to type skill hub student in your browser, and you will find the application in the okay. So let me move to the web application, and here you will go into the community section, and here you will find the today LeetCode solution. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.